So I'm in Victoria at Zayer, machines now sold and supported in the UK and Ireland by Mills CNC. They do bridge mills, they do gantry mills, they do portal style machines, bed milling machines. In fact, they're experts at making milling machines, small and big. And this is where it all starts. Their castings are all sourced locally. They then go onto their milling machines, and not any milling machines, they're making their machines on their Zayer machine tools. Once milled, they then go onto that bad boy. That is one of the largest grinders in Europe. And if you thought that was big, what about this? 33 meters in length, this milling machine. That just illustrates how big some of the machines they make can be. And guess what? Once again, it's a Zayer. In December 2022, Mills CNC signed an exclusive distributor agreement with Spanish-based milling machine tool manufacturing specialist Zayer Machine Tools. The distributor deal will enable UK and Irish component and mold tool manufacturers to acquire large capacity Zayer horizontal CNC bed mills and travelling column and gantry type machines directly from Mills CNC. Zayer machine tools are accurate, powerful, flexible and reliable. They are used extensively in Europe and throughout the rest of the world. If you don't know that much about Zayer or the machine tools it designs and manufactures, this video helps shine a light on what until now, from a UK and Irish perspective, is one of Europe's best kept secrets. As you can see here, they're just putting the bridge on top of the two columns, which almost completes the construction of this machine. Zayer take basic engineering principles and look to improve upon them by making machines in an innovative and modern way. Like this, I'm an engineer and I think this is really impressive. And unlike most machine tool builders, Zayer use box guideways on their constructions, and look at the gap and the distance between the two, ensuring the best in vibration dampening. Now this is the vertical saddle which holds the ram. The way this is built and constructed means this ram will never suffer droop. Three things about Zayer's head technology. Firstly, you can achieve negative angles as you see there on the spindle. Secondly, wherever you want to place that spindle, you can to suit the application that you're machining. And thirdly, really important, when you're hitting parts hard, having the 30-degree angle means you split or distribute any forces on that head, which means you can hit parts even harder. Now we all know that Zayer make really accurate milling machines, but this one, the new Zero, is the most accurate bed milling machine they have ever manufactured. And guess what? You can see this at Mills CNC later this year. Zayer machine tools claim to be the #1 choice for large part processing in the automotive, rail, power generation and aerospace sectors, to name but a few. Courtesy of Mills CNC, they're now destined to have an equally big future in the UK and Ireland.